Okay, got everything installed on that, positive and negative. Got my waterproof switch put together right here. Okay, positive and negative on the battery terminals are done. I don't know if you can see that one over there, but there it is right there coming on up. And then there's the little cigarette lighter that I adapted in and wired in. That is the fuse now for it. And tucked right up there, you'll now see my power supply. So let's try hard to have it have a good day. Turn that on and look for the green light, and let's see if I've done it right. There it is right there. I'm going to build a little mount for it, but it tucks up just fine, and it will mount right there just perfectly when I get that mount built. So, here's the test. Phone is charging. Well, that'll do. Well, there's the power inverter on the Honda Shadow Bobber. Good times good. Tell me how I did, huh?